See, big
I
bumbo.
see my family. Mama! Okay, 1, 2, 3. See your tiny set of teeth. Yes.
We have an unboxing.
Daddy got this gift for Zana. So, Zana is going to be unboxing her gift.
Hey.
Unbox your gift. Daddy got the gift. Unbox it. Put your mouth. Unbox. The people that are scared of their gift. Hey, our doll is out. Honey, I guess she be now. Why you not go buy pink? Why you go to buy blue? Mommy, happy. Ooh, she loves her doll. No hair. Why did you buy doll with no hair? You have to close the head. These are what to do. Making noise. Our pacifier don't want to go in. We are still pacifier. But you want to use them. Okay, that's so our birthday gift started coming in. Zana will be one on the 9th, and today is 5th. So this is one of our birthday gifts that started coming in from Papa. From Papa. I'm going to leave it to an unbox for birthday. Can you imagine? But now we're standing, all is unboxing. Birthday. And she likes it, Mama. Papa, Mama.
Hey guys. Good morning, guys. Guys, we have an unboxing. Zana is sleeping. I want to unbox this before she wakes up and before the kids comes back from school. Let's unbox and see what is here. So this is Shein order. This is Shein order, and it came so fast. I ordered this, I think, sometime last week ago. Yes, ordered it last week ago, and wow, it came so fast. But guys, I don't know if my order is complete. Look at it here. I don't want to wake her up. So this is the first order. This is for me. This is for me. So thick. I ordered a 2-piece. God, oh, is it my size? God, guys. I ordered a 2-piece. Okay, it will be my size. That's so thick. Good for the weather. This 2-piece. Wow, I'm loving it already. I'm loving it already. Ah, wow, this is beautiful. I think I was supposed to, reduce on size. This is not too big. I went for size XL. Yeah, size XL. I don't know if the size is here. But this is beautiful, guys. This is lovely. I won't lie to you. The quality is top notch. This is beautiful. For myself. And I'm not regretting. Okay, this is cap. 2 cap. Wow, guys. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. For Zana, this is beautiful. It's these two color. Wow, this is, and it's good for the weather. She can replace it with head warmer. It's good for the weather. She can use it in form of head warmer. This is beautiful. And guys, I got some things for her. Zana's birthday is next week on the 9th of February. So I use the opportunity to order a few things for her that I'm going to be using I'm going to be doing photo shoots for her. So this is another one, and this for baby Zana. This for baby Zana. Wow, guys, take a look. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. It's 2-piece. Wow, goodbye. Wow, I love this. Guys, take a look. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And I love the color. The package is not complete, so I'm not seeing everything here. It's not complete. It's not complete. Oh. I thought it's everything. No, it's not complete. What is this? Okay. What is happening? I bought Tamaware for myself. This is for me, I guess so. But this doesn't look like Tamaware leggings. This looks like, hey God, what is this? Oh God, I don't like this. I might return this one. Or maybe I was one that failed on the side. I finished. That means more things are coming. If I had known that it's not everything, I would have not done this unboxing now. And I've waited for everything to come. complete. Okay, this is for baby Zana, guys. This is for baby Zana. Zana 2-piece, very beautiful. Another 2-piece, and ooh, this is the sweat. Ah, God, I love this. I love this. This is it. Very beautiful. I got for her from 12 months to 1 year, from 12 months to 18 months. Yeah, and God, guys, I'm not regretting it. This is a good buy. I love this. I love this. This is the only thing that I don't know what I ordered here. Outfit comes. I will unbox it with you guys. This is so beautiful. Bobby is going to like this one. He says this one especially. Bobby is going to like this, and I pray every other one comes before on the 9th, because I want to do 1 year birthday photo shoot for baby Zana. I want to do 1 year birthday photo shoot for her. I pray all those things come before then. So that is it. I'm happy. It's nice, but in all, my best buy is this one. Is this one, and that one I got for myself, and the cap. Every other one, this black one, I don't know what I ordered there. I think it's what I ordered versus what I got. I'm going to test it and see.
Cap is so beautiful on her. This is the cap. So that is the teddy bear we unboxed this morning. How much she's using to play. I'm gonna say hello, guys. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
Morning comes and I breathe in grace. I remember all the battles you already faced. From the village road to the crowded town, you held my hand when the world said sit. You raised me now. My praise belongs
See big bumbo. Hey, not they give me money, but see, see you full everywhere like a trailer. I not blame you. You be bag of beans. Now you just be. Don't worry. America soldier they find on and they run. Don't do. Ciao.
Hey guys, good morning, guys. How you all doing? Hope you guys are doing fine. So, guys, is the start of a new vlog or a continuation of a vlog, whichever way. Good morning. Good morning. So, guys, today is Friday, and I and my family, as usual, my husband and Sana, we are going to the city. Guys, I'm going with mixed feelings, so God help me today. So today is my first day of my driving license, driving practical. Okay, let me put it that way. Yes, my driving practical, and my appointment is by 10. My appointment is by 10. And guys, guess what? I don't know what I'm going to experience. I don't even know what I'm going to face because number one, you know now, your girl cannot speak Italian. So language barrier is my fear right now. Not that I'm scared driving, no, just that I've been on the wheel before, but your teacher or your instructor is going to be an Italian and you cannot speak the language. And you cannot speak the language. So you can imagine the mixed feelings. You can imagine the experience. You can imagine what I am going through right now, what I'm feeling, what is in my head right now. But I just that I've prayed to God that whoever is going to be teaching me today should favor me, should be in my favor. As in, the person should be one of the understanding type, or rather, the person should know how to speak English, even if it's just a little bit.
We are
But
all
God help
ready.
me. So I'm at the bus station right now, waiting for our bus. Bus just passed us, so going to drop people. So we are going to wait because we came very early. It's better to wait for the bus than the bus waiting for you. So guys, that's it. Oh.
pray for your girl. Pray for your girl. Though I'm going to tell you guys how it went, I'm going to give you guys the gist too, but I beg, pray for me. Said that when it snowed, it's beautiful, but the aftermath is what I don't like. I'm going to show you guys what I mean. Yes, just wait. I'll show you guys what I mean. Playing. Hey, Mama, you're playing. Say hello, guys. So, guys, remember our unboxing. Our unboxing. See who's looking good. Remember our unboxing. She's looking sweet, smiling. See who's looking good. Mama, say hello, guys. Say hello, people. Guys, let me show you for the aftermath, I beg. So, this is what I mean. Don't know if you guys can see it. It's even better now because I wish I came out yesterday. You'd have seen the bad part of it. Let me just show you guys from here. You can see everywhere, all those places. To not make the road look so dirty. To make the road look so dirty. So that's just it. So this is my people. This is my people. See my husband man with this his favorite jacket. See, those who know you with this your favorite jacket in this channel. Oh God. So, okay, oh. Mama. 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 See your tiny set of teeth. Yes. In a few days now, you'll be 1 year old and see it. Yeah, Baba. You love going out. Whenever we want to go out, Dada likes it. You love going out. You're tired of staying indoors. Yeah.
Morning comes and I breathe in grace. I remember all the battles you
I made it toast.
faced.
Spend the money.
From the village road to the crowded town,
Oh, guys.
you held my hand when the world said sit. You raised me now.
As usual.
Chinwe, my praise belongs
I'm
to
out.
you. Every song, every step I move, from my heart to the heavens, you, Jesus. All I have, I give to
A few moments later.
you. My praise belongs to you.
Well, let me say.
In the storm,
I'm not going to say. I don't think what I mean.
you are faithful, true Jesus. All I have, I give to when the door
1 hour later.
See my family.
you were smiling.
Guys, see my family. Mama!
Shadow
How do you think?
Oh, it went well, oh. Like play, really.
I tell you, say God will do and make the give better question.
No. If they put this one on the man is good. I'm true. My first day driving license.
You know, so I say, Mama, if he understand and he good.
Yeah, no, today teach me as in after I get 1, 2, 3, 4, even 5. Then if I want to drive back, you understand me? Then how to use the brake, acceleration, the friction, how to use it. That is the clutch. How to use it. Let me drive let me hold steady. Now do drive, go roundabout. How to use the trafficator, go roundabout and all that. Let me see car drive and reach here. We come back.
Small.
He said, no, you did well. You did well.
Small.
You did well. That's small. And thank God.
People have to say, you don't give them with their heart.
Yeah.
Now, especially this cafe operating. Don't worry, for next week when if I will come, before we start, I'll carry the guy to buy a cafe first.
Guys, I'll talk to you guys later. I'll talk to you guys later, please. I'll talk to you guys.